everybody. Today we are test driving Volvo V60 DS3 2017 car, which came in with a DPF problems. Problems has been solved. Sir, I will not mention your name. I call you sir. What can you tell us about your car? How was it before and how is it driving now?
Massive dramatic difference, huge difference. The car is driving absolutely brilliantly. The car is responsive really well. I can't say enough about the idea of the job, of the idea of thinking of needing to have to buy a new car, and knowing that the car is driving like an absolute dream,
Engine
like
light?
I first bought it. No engine lights. No.
Did you notice any white or black smoke?
No, not at all. Complete looking in the back rear windscreen. There is no smoke, nothing that gives me an idea of anything is different. Right. The car is completely very well responsive.
Okay, so
no black smoke coming out. I'm very happy.
Okay, I can
very
see
very
you
happy,
got a
sir.
smile on your face. Excellent.
Very, and I'm on holiday next week, so I'm all good.
Of course. Efkaristo.
Thank you.
Okay. Right, you can reach us on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx problems. We are the master. Also, we do Ghost Immobiliser Center. And we are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. Please give me a call with your problems. We'll solve your problems, 100% guaranteed. Thank you very much.